as you can see, I have already created all these animation including letters and the background. And as always, before we start, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want more amazing videos like this. So first of all, go to file, then project setting, and we are on full HD resolution, and change the frame rate to 30 fps. Click on OK. And now let's tag some letters to the timeline. And if this message appears, then just simply click on Keep Project Setting option. After adding all the letters to the timeline, now we have to add this flicker animation to the timeline, obviously. Okay, now go to 2 seconds forward and select all these layers, right click on it and click on split, and now select these parts of the videos and click on delete. For now, click on this icon to hide the flicker animation, because first we have to focus on letters. So double click on the letters, go to compositing option and change the blending mode to lighten, and now change the blending mode of all these letters. Okay, now go to animation tab, then customize, and now go to starting of the timeline, which is 0 seconds. Now click on add to add a keyframe, but as of now you have to keep the size of all the letters bigger because we have to make a zoom out animation. Okay, now go to end of the timeline, which is 10 seconds, but you are also free to edit in your own way, and you can add the keyframes to any time you like. So here add the animation to all these letters, but this time change the size of all these letters to smaller than last time. So as you can see, this is how we created the zoom out animation. And now let's unhide the flicker animation. So we are almost done, and now we have to just add the particles, which you can download by joining my Patreon page or YouTube membership. Now go to 5 seconds, then select all these layers and move them like this. Then add the particles to the first layer. And we are finally done. Let's see the preview. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And as always, before we leave, I want to say thank you to these amazing people who are supporting me on Patreon and YouTube membership, and I will see you in the next video.